Hi everybody. Trying to catch my breath. Just walked up the hill. Just wanted to show you how beautiful the woods are in this particular location. I'm just going to do all the way around and into the woods next door. We're not allowed in there, it's private property, but it's still a beautiful place. I just want to walk up here a bit and show you into there. That's the private property in there, and as you can see, there's a fence here, so we're not allowed in, which is fine. And I'm just gonna carry on up there, and Abby gets a really good walk, which is fantastic. We had volunteers here clearing sorry about that, and they do a great job. It's a community woodland and they look after it for us. It's now started hammering it down with rain. How lovely. Hopefully I don't get too wet with Abby. Abby doesn't mind getting wet as long as he's out on his walk. I'm not particularly keen on getting wet for the most obvious reasons. So yeah, it's a beautiful part of Cornwall, and I understand that there's other beautiful woodlands in the UK, well, all over the world, but there's just something about Cornwall that is just so beautiful. There's a tree across the path there, or a branch I should say. I'm just going to walk round. There's another, I don't know if you can see it, yeah you can. There's another path there, but that's like a shorter route around the woods, and I like to go the long way so that Abby gets a good walk. And I try to do this every day with Abby. Come down here, give him a really good run, because he's allowed off a lead here and he is good. He's got good callback training. I'll just show you. Abby, stay. Good boy. And that's how all dogs should be. Okay, away, away. That's how all dogs should be. You should be able to call your dog back straight away. One call. And he's learnt that from Puppy. Lots of chicken and treats. When he came back to me, he had treats. So he's learnt really good recall. I don't like him going out of sight. Abby, here. There he is. So I went, go on then, away. Good boy. Always call him back if I can't see him. And it gives him a bit of an extra run as well. Through here. And now we're on the other path, which goes down that way and around that way. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.